Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to remove Meta AI from WhatsApp. So this is a simple process. Make sure to watch this video till the end and you will be able to do it. So the first step is just make sure to open your WhatsApp, as this is a business WhatsApp, so you can choose either a business WhatsApp or a simple WhatsApp, that is your choice. And once you're on this section, like in the chat section, so what you can do is just go to the settings of your WhatsApp, and from here just scroll down, and once you scroll down you can read like account, privacy, chat, notification, storage and data. So make sure to go to this section called chats, and once you click on chats, on here you will be able to see the option called Meta AI, like turn off Meta AI icon. So as you can see, I am not able to see it because I am using a simple version of WhatsApp, but if you are on the beta version of the WhatsApp that is provided by the WhatsApp to some of the users, then you will be able to see this option. And right now WhatsApp has not officially launched this option in all the WhatsApp in all the countries, but very soon that will be available to all of the users as well. So you can turn it off if it is available to you and wait for the official update if you do not have an option. So that is a simple and easy answer. Do not try any other method, as that will be released by WhatsApp very soon. So make sure to wait for the updates, and once the update comes you will be able to do it. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can do it.